If you don't know how to add products, or if you don't know how to organize your collection on your Shopify, you are stuck. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So open your Shopify, then select on products. So add your product title, then add your product description. So just narrate everything about the product. So I've already added my image so that I can get the description. And so click on the product category, then select on the product category, then set the product price. So once you done that, so turn on the inventory, then on that quantity, I save it as shop location. So you will write the number of that particular item that is available in your store. So once you write that one, then you can set the product color here, then you put size, then you click on save. So to add another product, so at this top corner you will click add another product. Once it's open, you will click on upload new. To add the product image, you will add the product title, you will add the product description as well. So once you add the product description, then add the catalog. I uploaded a jean, so I added the catalog as jean in pants. Then add the product price. You need to turn it on as physical products. So then you add the product color, the sizes, then the amount of product that you have in your store. You add it on the shop location. So once you done that, then you click on save. So you already added another product. So that is the process to do on every products you will add on your Shopify. So that's how you will add all products on your Shopify. So to add your product into your collection, you click on collection. Once you click on collection, then it will bring to you this page. So you can add collection by click on add collection, or you edit the one that you have there already. You will add the collection title and you will add the collection description. At the collection type, you can click on manual or smart. In this video, I will click on manual. You will click on products, then it will bring out all your products. So you can select like 2, 3 or more on your products. Then you will click on add. So you can see this is all the collection on this chart alone. Then you will save it. So you can add another collection. You can also delete existing collection. So to add another collection, you have to click on the product, then you click on collection, then you add collection. So add the title, then add the collection description. So click on manual on the collection type. So add the product. So you will add all the slides that you have as a product into this collection. You will click on save. So you will repeat the same process on every collection that you want to add on your Shopify. So once you are through with that, then you can go back to your team to view the functionalities. So you can see the collection at the top here. So if you click on this collection here, it will take you to the collection product that you have created. If you found this video useful, kindly like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Shopify tutorial like this.